My primary industry is financial services. I was a chief risk officer for a very large banking and insurance group for a few years, and we specialized in digital technology and the deployment of mobile loans. I also am currently on the board of an AI-based startup, and where I look after risk and safety and our machine learning and AI models. The ORM course is really about how operational risk has taken on a new shape in light of COVID and AI and new emerging technologies, because it used to be a kind of back office or in many organizations an almost forgotten kind of undertaking. And now it's probably become the primary risk, covering reputation and things like digital readiness. So what I think is most unique about the course is that I try to weave in everyone's experiences and their personal difficulties, challenges, successes, and so forth into the course as we go along. So we've got a rough structure, a backbone that we follow, but then no two runs of the course are the same. First, that risk and performance have to be evaluated in the same space. And if we can achieve that in the organization at the management level, then we can get the management and the risk team and the assurance teams to converge on an understanding of the risk profile of the organization and how to navigate challenges that might come to it. I think the other big advent that we look at is risk culture, and how risk culture is often influenced by operational risks more than anything else, and how we can manage that. I try to help the delegates in the ORM course understand the new concept of operational risk, which is a little bit different than for other risk management areas. It means effectively understanding how to measure risk and return, or risk against performance, and implement risk-based assessment of operational risk, which is forward-looking and not simply a negative or downside type of analysis of events that affect the organization. In a recent run of the course, we have a delegate that was discussing how living in Saudi, the government is going to implement, as part of Vision 2030, an AI-based assessment platform. And so we've been talking about how can we assess the risks associated with deploying that AI, with using AI, and how if that delegate had the audience of the prince and was able to somehow influence this implementation, how they could offer value and even steer the direction.